Ever found yourself with a bulging PayPal balance and a craving for that Grab food delivery but can't seem to use your PayPal funds? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into whether you can actually transfer PayPal to GrabPay. Let's find out. PayPal and GrabPay are both popular digital wallets, each with its own strengths. PayPal is a global giant, while GrabPay reigns supreme in Southeast Asia, especially for ride-hailing and food delivery services. But can you easily move your money between these two platforms? That's the burning question we'll answer today. The core issue, the short answer is, no, you can't directly transfer funds from PayPal to GrabPay. There's no built-in feature or official channel for this type of transfer. This is a common roadblock for users who want to seamlessly use their PayPal funds for Grab services. Workarounds, explained thoroughly. Withdraw PayPal funds to your bank account. This is the most common and usually the safest method. Withdraw your PayPal funds to your linked bank account. Then, transfer the money from your bank account to your GrabPay wallet. Note, this involves multiple steps and might incur bank fees. Use a third-party platform, with caution. Some third-party platforms claim to facilitate transfers between different e-wallets. Exercise extreme caution, research thoroughly before using any such service. Ensure the platform is reputable and has strong security measures to protect your funds. Be wary of scams and hidden fees. Consider PayPal's shopping features. If you're primarily interested in using PayPal for GrabFood or other Grab services, explore PayPal's shopping features. You might be able to use PayPal directly with merchants who accept it, even if it's not integrated with GrabPay. Important considerations. Currency conversion. If you're dealing with different currencies, factor in potential conversion fees. Transfer limits and processing times. Be aware of any transfer limits and processing times associated with your bank and GrabPay. Security. Prioritize security at every step. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be vigilant for phishing attempts. While a direct PayPal to GrabPay transfer isn't currently possible, you can still utilize your PayPal funds for Grab services by exploring the workarounds we've discussed. Remember to prioritize security and be mindful of any potential fees. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.